Hey YouTube, it's Chris, K2CJB with K2CJB Radio. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight, and it is nighttime, I'm sitting around a campfire, and I thought it'd be a lot of fun to just listen around 40 meters, maybe a little bit 20 meters, and just see what's going on. Not trying to make a contact, let's just see what's going on. Well, here we go.
Anybody, anywhere, anyone else, I call it over 1 Delta, Judy up.
I worked that guy earlier, actually.
November 1, Oscar
We're on
Charlie,
20 meters right now.
coming through, Ryan.
We're on the bottom of the phone section.
Over.
Boy, I'm catching everybody right at the end.
Give me your call again.
I pile up here.
No copy, echo number 1 Delta, Judy up.
Oh, that's the guy I worked before, okay.
On a new band today. I see we worked before in the beginning of this year on 10 meters. So nice to work you for the first time on 20. You're 5 at 9 as well. 5 at 9, loud and clear today. QSL.
This guy's booming in too. He's definitely 5 and 9, S9 on this radio. Wonder where he is.
Roger. Well, the only advice that I can give you is don't change anything. It sounds great. I'm using the same equipment here as last time we spoke. FTDX 101 MP, OptiBeam antenna, running about a half a kW. Roger?
Okay. Nice signal. S9 plus.
Yeah. Great conditions in the morning and I still work tons and tons of stations in Oceania, over.
We definitely have some DX coming in, and at night for 20, that's really good.
I'm in the central part of Canada, in the middle, north on the east coast, north on the west coast, 1,000 miles as the crow flies northwest from Toronto, and then on Stanley Island. It floats around in Lake Superior, and that is a freshwater lake. Roger, Peter. Unreal. 5.7. I got a 5.7 on you also. We're running 100 watts through the 7300 Mark II and the spool tenna with ABR coax. Stand by, Mike, for Julie.
Well, this might be a two for Park here.
Hi, Mike. Kilo Juliet 4, Uniform Lima Zulu. You sound fantastic.
You sound fantastic too, Julie. I like it very much. Julie, you're also 57 here.
Are you sure I'm not?
4, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's a pile up.
November,
These are always fun to listen to.
November Zulu 8 Charlie. November 2. Sorry, sheer difficulty. Very weak. Your signal. Nancy Zulu, question mark. November
The DX is booming in here tonight. I'm on 20 meters. Every DX station we're hearing here is 10 over easily. 10, 20 over.
My name is Joe. Switzerland, Highland, South Italy. Okay.
It's Italy, right? Beautiful.
You are in Ohio. Please make a...
They have come into their own, and they have proven their worthiness
Wow.
for both commercial service and amateur service. So,
What a signal.
no doubt that it is a viable option to the high voltage and heavy iron. Okay, sir?
Oh, roger, roger. Yeah.
There's a couple stateside guys, it sounds like.
Right below it, I guess.
Again, beautiful signals.
Pull me up.
Kilo Japan 5, Japan Yankee Japan, thank you. 5757 with me in Slovenia. How copy?
That's Sugar 51DX. Worked him earlier. This is usually up in the 14.330s. We start getting the POTA guys. But not up there tonight. All right, I'm going to go down to 40. And let's see what... Oh, lots of fun here. Let's see what we got.
Morning, and got out in the car. I didn't see that it was in the Mad Max mode, which I'm now very careful to look at. And so that was the deal. And of course, I didn't tell you guys that when I got into the gym, I had to change my underwear. So
That's
it was
lovely.
quite an ordeal. So anyway, 7-3, I'm going to bow out here too, and kick it up here to you, Lee. VE3 TFZ and I4F. And I4F, VE3 TFZ. Yeah,
Wow, nice signal Canada coming in here. 10 over.
I got that web SDR. I'm okay. As far as running, yeah, I could run a cable to the tower, and it's a good 12 feet away from.
And here's a stateside guy, also 10 over. Just booming in. Just booming in.
12 feet, somewhere around there. So I have to get creative with that.
All right, I'm heading into the house. I'm not going to go in there. You guys are going to cause a ruckus. I can just tell. I can tell in Dude's voice he's going to cause a ruckus on there. So I'm going to head on in and spend a little time with the wife, and I'll catch everybody in the morning. I'm not going to do anything.
Okay, yeah, I've got a tight release on him. He ain't going to do nothing. I'll try and get with you on 3720 in the morning, Ron.
There you go. I was going to say these are 80 meter sounding guys, right?
Good night. All right, God bless Ronnie. If I get leg cramp.
Meter is up at 100 feet, and the 80 meter inverted V is up at 200 feet. And then the mountain is about 1,000 feet above all the valleys around here. Except to the south, it's sort of a gentle slope.
There are some big signals coming in here tonight.
All the other.
I got 259.
Truth 5757 here in Georgia. On me.
Okay, I'll take that 57 and give you a 59. How's that?
I'll take the 59. I'm free. You get two more.
Okay, let me break with you. Let's try line 3 as we still around. Kilowatt Echo 2, Foxtrot, India. Any copy on KB8 LPR?
Sierra Hotel 1 Tango.
Kilowatt Echo 2, Foxtrot, India. Any copy on KB8 LPR?
Okay.
Okay, let's scratch this, and the only other white line I've got here that I think is I can hear.
Must be some, it might be a Berkdal States net or something. Is that still around? 7.188? Not sure. And here we are. 7.200. Sounds like a DX station there. Yep. All right, who's this working in the park?
Okay, got you there. I dropped down the noise. Yeah, you're 59 here into New Jersey. Thank you.
New Jersey, I'm in Connecticut. That guy's booming in here.
Come back now.
3, Romeo, Charlie, Tango, portable. Okay, Kilo Bravo 3, Romeo, Tango, something. Kilo Bravo 3, Romeo, Charlie, Tango, portable. Okay, Kilo Bravo 3, Romeo, Charlie, Tango, QSL. QSL, I got you a 5x7 into Maryland. QSL, you're also 5-7 here in the park, and I got you here in the new day, Roger. Roger, 73, thanks for being out there. 73, this is Victor Echo 3, Yankee Tango November, Charlie Alpha 0281.
I think I worked him earlier. Wow, what a pileup.
Lima? Okay, there's a station with Echo in the call. Victor Echo 3.
Wow, this guy's working a pileup.
Victor Echo 3, India Uniform Kilowatt. I've got you 5-9 in the clear, Roger. Yeah, QSL 5-9, Hamilton, Ontario, thanks a lot. All right, thanks for hunting tonight, 7-3, Victor Echo 3, Yankee Tango November, QRZ. QRZ 3, Oscar, Uniform Oscar. Alpha Delta 2, Charlie Delta, QSL. QSL 5-9, New Jersey, QSL. Roger, 5-9 here.
This guy's doing a great job on this pilot.
Victor Echo 3, Yankee Tango November, Charlie Alpha 0281. November 3, Foxtrot, Mike Charlie.
Wow.
November 3,
What a night. What a night.
Yeah, Roger, Tom. 9, he hung out.
I'm going to hitting some broadcast stations, I think.
Delphonics and the Manhattans, you know what I mean? And I can sit back and listen to the Manhattans all day long, man. They sound like stuff like this, right? Yeah, man, you'll get along when it comes to music, man, because you right down my alley right there, man. When y'all talking good, that's good right there. Hell yeah, man. You know, they don't make music like that no more, you know.
No, they don't.
Things on that grill, pizza and things like that. So I don't just do the normal things.
Man.
3T. Roger. Yeah, we have a pellet stove grill.
A couple guys just rag chewing here.
You can even cook pizza on it. I haven't tried that yet. Might try a little deep dish one on there. 7-3, Derek. Always good to hear from you. Look forward to hearing from you again. So break with CE3OXC, KQ4RHJ, W4VFW, Rob, 73 round.
All right. Another net going there, it looks like.
You guys are all RF bullish talking about all that power. I did hear Charlie, when he had 10 watts there, he was 5 and 8. 891 at the 8,000 rocket tonight. We're doing well. Appreciate you working me tonight, my friend. We'll catch you on the next one. Alrighty, 73 with Yankee November. Yours, that? November 2 Delta. Okay, I got a couple of you that heard of November 2 Delta. November 2 Delta. November 2 Delta, you're 5-9, 59 Ed. 5-9 in New Jersey, great signal tonight. Hey, thank you much, always a pleasure, my friend. 73, there was a couple other calls in there, yours Ed. November 3.
Another pilot. And one of those guys at Park. It's not giving his park number, though.
Victor Echo Tango 5-9. Roger, 5-9, Alpha Lima. Thanks, Scott, always a pleasure. There's several other calls in there, folks. I'll work you out. QRZ. November 3, Mike Tango. Oscar, I'll grab you next. November 3, Mike Tango 5-9. QSL 5-9, Papa Alpha. Thanks, 73. 73, Oscar, come now. Alpha 3, Oscar. Alpha 3, Oscar. Tim, we're making a habit out of this, my friend. Thanks for another day. You're 5-9, 59. Where you at today? Hey, Roger. Ryan 959 into Mike Oscar. I'll take the Shelby State 73. Always a pleasure, Tim. 73, my friend.
Yeah.
73, Whiskey Yankee 8 November. Yours, Kilo 3, Sugar Delta Lima.
And there's a broadcast station. Wow, well, there you go. That was fun. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you felt like you pulled up a log stump and you were sitting next to me around the fire, just tuning around the radio a little bit. 20 and 40 stations are booming in tonight. This is amazing. Great night tonight for being on the radio. I don't know how I would do with QRP in those pileups, but it's fun to listen. I hope you enjoyed this. It's a video I've always wanted to do, just hanging around a campfire and tuning around HF. So until the next time, 73 from K2 CJB.